geysers, boilers, bathroom fittings, which leads to increased maintenance cost. Hair fall, dandruff, dry skin, latherless soap and detergents. Less agricultural yield. There are various processes to reduce hard water problems. Some of them are reverse osmosis, ion exchange technology and water steaming technology. All these processes either need frequent maintenance, chemical-based treatment or need a lot of electricity, resulting in higher cost of maintenance. One of the best natural technique is following the river water flow process. In a river, water travels hundreds of miles before it reaches the ocean. While traveling, the bigger cluster water molecules hit the rocks and stones continuously, thus breaking down the larger cluster water molecules into smaller nanomolecules. The same natural river flow process is used in our Cosmic Water Conditioner. After decades of experiment, research and feedback from our customers, we have developed a unique 2-in-1 patented technology to condition the water naturally using river water flow process. When water passes through the device, the large clusters of water molecules are broken down to smaller nanomolecules. Powerful magnetic field polarizes the water molecule, changing its physical structure. The calcite crystalline structure is washed away, causing the natural flow of the water. Installation of Cosmic Water Conditioner. Advantages of Cosmic Water Conditioner. Scaling is completely reduced. Reduction in maintenance cost. Calcium and magnesium are retained. pH value is attained, which is good for the human body. Body will absorb more water. Reduction in hair fall. Improves skin health and moisture. Increases the lifespan of all the appliances and utensils. Due to degasification, taste of the water improves. Better lather with soap and shampoo. Fabric quality is maintained and lasts longer. Effects of biological contamination is reduced. Water can easily be tested for its softness just by boiling before it passes through Cosmic Water Conditioner and after passing through water conditioner. We can see that there is no scaling formed in the utensil with soft water for the water from Cosmic Water Conditioner. We can also have a water foam test to see the softness of the water. Cosmic Water Conditioner is a fit and forget product. Once you install it, it will last for 25 to 30 years. It comes with maintenance-free and zero running cost. It is available in 100 LPH to 1 lakh LPH flow rates.
Hi, happy afternoon. My name is Shankar. On behalf of Team Cosmic, I welcome you all for this Cosmic 2-in-1 Technology Water Conditioner video conference meeting. Kindly mute your all mic. End of the session, we'll have a Q&A, question and answer. Whatever you have a query, you have a doubt, please make a note. We'll discuss on the end of the training session. Okay, I will continue with the introduction of our Cosmic 2-in-1 Technology Water Conditioner. Okay, please bear with me for 2 minutes. Yeah, Cosmic is an ISO certified company. Company started in 1994. We have various products. We have two verticals in our company. One is a power electronics. Another one is water treatment. In power electronics, we make a UPS, stabilizer, lift UPS, and servo stabilizer. In water treatment, we have a water conditioner, water softener, and DM plant. Company is registered as a private limited company, and we have more than 25 years of experience in this field, and customer base is more than 1 lakh across India and abroad. This is our water conditioner having a 2-in-1 technology. I will brief you further what is the 2-in-1 technology and what is the advantage of this 2-in-1 technology product. We have a UPS for elevators and lift. We have online UPS from 3 kVA to up to 200 kVA. It is our indigenous product. We manufacture whole and soul, in-house manufacturing facilities there. And also, as I updated, we have a servo stabilizer, which is the best solution for voltage fluctuation. These all are for the residential and industrial application. This is product is called a servo stabilizer. Also, we have a demineralized water plant, which is used for the specific application, either pharma application or any specific requirement where they need a demineralized water. We have a water softener also. This is the ion exchange technology, resin-based technology. These all are our existing, some of the customer. We have many customer base. In that, few customers are here shown here. Thank you. We'll move to the further detail of our water conditioner. Yeah, this is our poster asking it, do you have a hard water problem? Yes. If somebody says yes, below that we have an innovative solution for you. Cosmic natural water conditioner. It's based on natural technique where that river has adopted natural technology, natural technique where all the river water is a soft water. I will brief you further. These are the product where we used to make earlier. It's a earlier product. Yeah, this is the product where we have a different types of product. Out of this, this is the one what we are promoting right now. This is the smaller one having we have a different technology, different flow rate capacity product. This is the 100 LPH product. This is the 1000 LPH product. We have one more in between, that is the 200 LPH. So 100 LPH, 200 LPH, and finally 1000 LPH. Above 1000 LPH, any requirement, it will be in multiple of 1000 LPH. We have a fully stainless steel product. This is the one more model. This is the completely stainless steel product. In this also same 100 LPH, 200 LPH, and 1000 LPH. This is the export quality complete stainless steel product. Yeah, as I update you, this is the 200 LPH in between. It was there. It's a 200 LPH product. Yeah, you can download, you can log into our website and you can download the brochure any point of time. It will be available for you on our website. Website is a cosmicenergy.in. This is the product brochure. It says that many advantage of this product: reduces hair fall due to hard water, improve skin health and moisture. It's balance the pH and controls bacteria and algae. This is called a biological contamination. And also it's a maintenance free and zero running cost. This is the product one. Here we have mentioned in our brochure what kind of technology we have used. Yeah, before that, just I wanted to introduce why it's based on natural technology. In the market, there are many technology which is used for softening the water. I'll take you to the once again that presentation so that it will be convenient for us to explain on this.
250 kVA, less efficiency and some of them are reverse osmosis, ion exchange technology, and water steaming technology.
Yeah, these all are the products used for the converting our hard water into soft water. One is the reverse osmosis technology. Most of us, we know that. Yeah, I request all of you kindly mute your mic. End of the session, we'll again unmute and we'll discuss on this. Yeah, this is the reverse osmosis technology. Most of us, we know that we are using in our kitchen, which is where there is a hard water. We use our reverse osmosis technology water purifier to purify the water. And also this same technique can be used for converting our hard water into soft water. This is the industrial grade, and in reverse osmosis, both the domestic and industrial, both the products are available. This is called a ion exchange technology, or else it is called a resin-based technology, which is required salt to regenerate, salt regeneration product. Another one is the water steaming technology, which nature has adapted. All of us, we know that water cycle. So water cycle, the water will get steamed due to sunlight, and it will convert it into gas, and further due to condensation, again it will come back to our earth as a rainwater. These all are the different technique where popular in converting hard water into soft water. Out of this, these all the technique, either it's required maintenance or replacement of component or electricity. So that is the reason now many countries, okay, this ion exchange technology or resin-based technology, it's a very popular. All these year, in fact, we also have this product, which I have shown you the beginning of our presentation. We have a water softener also. All these year, we didn't have any other alternate option. We used to promote a water softener. How water softener will work? Water softener, it is called a ion exchange technology. The name itself, it's mentioned that ion exchange. It will exchange the ions. See, what is the hard water? Hard water, it is the excess mineral mixed with the water that has become a hard water. Majoritarily calcium and magnesium. Calcium and magnesium are, it's called a alkaline minerals, which is a very essential for our human body. Alkaline, usually we get alkaline from green leaves, vegetables, fruits, all those things we get a alkaline. Same time, this calcium and magnesium iron, these minerals are called as alkaline minerals. Excess of this mineral, it will cause us the problem. Now, when we are using a ionic chain technology, this inside in this container, in this blue vessel, there is a resin. It is a synthetic material. The process of this product is it will exchange the ions. What are the ions? The calcium and magnesium, which is there in the water, dissolved in the water. It will remove calcium from the water and it will replace with a sodium. Okay. In the water, if you take 1,000 ppm, 1,000 part per million, TDS, it is measured by ppm. 1,000 ppm water, if you take it, out of 1,000 ppm, majoritarily between 50 to 70% is the calcium content. The reason behind here is that is the 1,000 ppm, it's a borewell water or hard water. Even if you take a river water is a soft water where you can drink directly by filtering if there is any suspended solids or any contamination. So that time we need to filter it. When we use this ionic chain technology, resin based, it will exchange the ions. The calcium and magnesium ions will be replaced with a sodium. It will remove calcium and magnesium ions from the water and it will be replaced with a sodium. So that time, as I mentioned, calcium and magnesium are the essential mineral. It's called an alkaline mineral, which is good for our human body. When we use this technology, it will replace calcium and magnesium will replace with a sodium. Sodium is nothing but a common salt. Common salt which is used, either common salt or rock salt which is used in our kitchen. So salt content is not good for our healthy body, healthy lifestyle. So that is the reason in many countries, this ionization technology product are not promoting. Either it is due to environmental issue or this ion exchange health issue. Many countries have banned that. Now the new research are going on to treat the hard water. So out of that, this is one technology which we have developed. This is a water conditioner.
All these processes either need frequent maintenance, chemical-based treatment, or need a lot of electricity, resulting in higher cost of maintenance. One of the best natural technique is following the river water flow process. In a river, water travels hundreds of miles before it reaches the ocean. While traveling, the bigger cluster water molecules hit the rocks and stones continuously, thus breaking down the larger cluster water molecules into smaller nanomolecules.
Yeah, just I wanted to update you. This river water process, it's one of the best technique, which is river is providing us the soft water. In this process, when water travels from source to ocean, first of all, what is the hard water? That I will explain you. These all are the water molecules. the smallest amount of water molecules, it's called a H2O. H2O, it's the smallest size of the molecules. Smallest size of molecule which is there in the water, H2O. That H2O which is mixed with a mineral, that will become a hard water. Now, these all are called molecules. It attach together, it is called a cluster formation. The water molecules will attach together and it will form the cluster. When there is a cluster formation, that time water will have the molecules, cluster molecules will have this kind of sharp edges. Because of the sharp edges ability, it will go and stick to the passing surface. So there is a further scale buildup will take place. Yeah, just 1 minute, please. I have a little issue. I will come back to you. One. Yeah, sorry, there was some internet issue. So this hard water will have a cluster formation. This cluster will have a sharp edges. Because of the sharp edges ability, it will go and stick to the passing surface. So that time, when it's go and stick to the passing surface, further scale buildup will take place. One behind one, this cluster molecules go and attach, and further cluster will build a scale formation. When the river process, you might have seen that in the river, there is a pebble. The pebbles are acting like a filter media. From river water source to ocean, or the river water travel from 100 to 1000 kilometers. So that time, each and every pebble act like a filter media. This water molecules, which is form the cluster, it will go and hit to the pebble. When it's hit to the pebble, that time this bigger cluster will divide into nanoparticles. So when that nanoparticle divided, that time water, it will become a lighter, and thus all these sharp edges will become a blunt. So further,
breaking down the larger cluster water molecules into smaller nano.
So this bigger cluster will divide into smaller particles. That time water will become a lighter, and all the lighter molecules on this, it will go to the surface, and bottom there will be heavier one. So bottom, this cluster, it will go and hit to the pebbles continuously. So this process will keep continue. And also important part, in the river, you might have seen that when you drink a clean river water or spring water, you will have a freshness. So because the earth is the permanent magnet, when permanent magnet on the surface of the earth, when water travels, each and every molecules of the water will get energized because of the earth magnetic effect. So that is the reason if you drink, okay, there are other reason also. This is one of the reason. When we drink spring water, we'll feel that freshness because of the softness and also the magnetic effect. Yeah. May I request all of you to please mute your mic, please. Hello, please mute your mic, please. Okay, we'll continue further. When water passes through this process, water will become a hard water will convert into soft water. Okay, there are many other processes which nature is following that. Out of this is the two technique which we have taken it and we have adopted in our water conditioner.
Molecules. The same natural river flow process is used in our Cosmic water conditioner. After decades of experiment, research and feedback from our customers, we have developed a unique 2-in-1 patented technology to condition the water naturally using river water flow process. When water passes through the device, the large clusters of water molecules are broken down to smaller nanomolecules. Powerful magnetic field polarizes the water molecule, changing its physical structure.
Yeah, in this two-in-one technology, what we are calling, this is the first technology. This is called a water structuring activity. When there is a hard water, it will form the cluster. This cluster will be in a bigger in size. When water passes through this device, internally, in our device, internally we have arranged the quartz balls. Quartz balls, it's actually glass material, which is very hard by nature. When water passes through this device, this bigger cluster will divide into nanoparticles.
Are broken down to smaller nanomolecules.
And also, that is the first technology. Out of two-in-one technology, that is the one technology. Another one which we have adapted, it's a magnetic process. Magnetic, if you say magnet, there is a North Pole and South Pole. South Pole always represent as a negative and North Pole always represent as a positive.
Full magnetic field polarizes the water molecule, changing its physical structure.
In the water also, there is a positive ions and there is a negative ions. When there is an opposite polarity, it will attract each other. When there is a similar polarity, it will repel each other. When water passes through our device, this positive and negative, it will attract opposite polarity. So that time, water molecules become a polarization. What is the polarization? Positive, positive one side and negative, negative will be arranged other side. So that time, when opposite polarity is there, it will keep attracting each other and it will form the scaling further. After passing through our device, water molecules become a polarization. All positive are rearranged one side and all negative rearranged one side. When there is a similar polarity, it won't attract, it will repel each other. So that time, further one more reason, further scale buildup will not take place.
The calcite crystalline structure is washed away.
Also, if there is a existing scale formation, scale buildup, even that also will remove slowly after installing our device. So the existing pipe scale formation or your equipment home appliances scale formation, slowly that also will remove from the water,
causing the natural flow of the water. Installation of Cosmic water conditioner.
Yeah, this is the water conditioner connection where we have, by experience and from the customer feedback, we have developed a certain technique. Our devices our water conditioner will be connected outlet of the water tank, not an inlet of the water tank. This is the important part. This is going to be connected outlet of the water tank. And also further, this water conditioner is going to be connected in a vertical position. This is called the gravity flow. When water passes from over a tank to downwards, that is called a gravity flow. In the gravity flow, the flow will not be completely, it will not be under our control. So that is the reason what we have made arrangement here is we will reverse the flow itself. This is the gravity flow. Water will passes through here. I will show you the figure, so you will come to know better. Yeah, this is the gravity flow. Here, water will enter from bottom of our product and top of our product is the outlet. So that time the gravity flow has come here and this is the against the gravity here. So when water is going through against the gravity, there is a lot of possibility where each and every molecules will be treated properly. So there is no skipping or bypassing water molecules. With this process, each and every molecules will be treated properly. So it is the one of the advantages, and it's giving a proper result after installing our water conditioner. Yeah, as I updated you, we have a different product. One, it's a 100 LPH. Second one is the 200 LPH. Third one is the maximum capacity, that is the 1000 LPH. This is the 100 LPH where we can connect in the bathroom. There is a water heater or electric geyser or gas geyser that can be connected, or shower head can be connected. This is the smallest one, 100 LPH. Further 200 LPH, and next one is the 1000 LPH. Above 1000 LPH, any corporate, like example for apartment application or any other requirement, the 1000 LPH will be in multiples. I will show you the installation photos. You will come to know better further.
Advantages of Cosmic Water Conditioner. Scaling is completely reduced. Reduction in maintenance cost. Calcium and magnesium are retained. pH value is attained, which is good for the human body. Body will absorb more water. Reduction in hair fall. Improves skin health and moisture. Increases the lifespan of all the appliances and utensils. Due to degasification, taste of the water improves.
Yeah, as I updated you, this is the natural technique where what we have adopted in our product. I'll show you once again. Yeah, this is the internal construction of our product. Inside there is we have arranged quartz ball. Quartz ball is made up with a glass material. You might be knowing that all the laboratory, the utensils are used made up with a glass material. Why glass material? Glass will not react with any chemical which is there in the water. So that is the reason in the river, the stone will become a pebble because of the wear and tear of the water and reaction with the water chemical property. So that is the reason we have used here glass material. This glass will not react with a chemical property which is there in the water. So that is the reason further wear and tear will not be there. And also further we have used the permanent magnet. Permanent magnet ability is, it's a very long lasting product. Once in 100 years, this performance will come down 10% once in 100 years. Once in 100 years, it reduces its performance by 10%. That means it's a very long lasting product. Every 10 years, 1% reduction of the performance. So both the case, either it's a glass or magnetic, both the product are long lasting products. So that is the reason this product life of the product will be very high. Yeah, and this scaling will be reduced completely. And also you might be feeling that how to test this water. You might have seen easily whenever we are going to explain in front of the customer will ask the question whether your device will it reduce the water TDS or will it reduce the hardness. The answer is there are two different kind of process are available in the market. Two different popular process to treat the hard water. One, that is the chemical based treatment, which I explained in the beginning of our presentation. That is called a resin based technology or ion exchange technology. In that ion exchange technology, there is a chemical reaction. There is a chemical process. All the equipment, either TDS meter or hardness testing kit, these all are the equipment where measure the chemical property available in the water. But whereas in our case, this is not the chemical treatment product. This is called a physical treatment product, because water molecules level it's going to water molecules is going to be physical level, it's going to be modified. What is the physical level of modification? This bigger cluster will divide into nanoparticles, and water molecules polarization will take place. So in this, chemical property will remain same, only physical structure, physical property of the water molecules will change, alter. So now there is a different process. We cannot use this chemical based treatment process to test this physical based treatment process. Now we have a different method of testing this water conditioner performance.
Water can easily be tested for its softness just by boiling before it passes through Cosmic water conditioner and after passing through water conditioner. We can see that there is no scaling formed in the utensil with soft water for the water from Cosmic water conditioner. We can also have a water foam test to see the softness of the water.
Yeah, there is a two popular testing method in the physical level treatment. One, it's a water boiling test. We have to take a two utensils and have either half liter or quarter liter of water and boil on the same flame or same time. After boiling this, if you allow it to settle down, you can see that there is a left hand side. This is the hard water. Before our water conditioner, there is a scale formation inside the utensil. After our water conditioner, the scale calcium and magnesium, it will be there in the water, but the scale formation will not take place. It will be dissolved in the water, but further scale formation will not be there with a utensil. That means in our product, we are retaining essential calcium and magnesium without draining out, without removing from the water, which is a very essential for our human body. So this is the major advantages of our water conditioner. Whereas in the resin-based technology, the calcium and magnesium will reduce completely remove from the water, and it will be replaced with the sodium. And further, the same amount of quality of water we are not going to drink. Further, again, we are going to use the reverse osmosis water purifier. Reverse osmosis water purifier, what it does is, it will remove 90% of the TDS. Then remaining whatever water we are going to drink, it's nothing but a distilled water. Drinking a distilled water is not harmful for the body immediately. Over a period of time, down the line, 5 years, 10 years, if we keep continue drinking the same water, our body, no doubt, will get our calcium and magnesium intake from the other source also, like from the food, we'll get it, either vegetable, fruits, everywhere we'll get it. But whatever naturally available from the water, that will be removed. So that is the important part. In our water conditioner, we are not going to remove the calcium and magnesium, which is called alkaline minerals and which is essential for our body. It will be retained in the water. Same time, the whatever excess of the hardness, whatever problem is going to cause, that will be eliminated through this process. This is the water boiling test. One more testing method is foam test. It's called a foam test. Foam test, again the same, either of 2 bottles of water, half of liter or quarter liter bottle, or in both the 2 utensils, you can use the water of quarter liter or half liter, add a little bit of detergent powder and shake it. So you'll see that hard water, there is a less foam, and soft water, after passing through our water conditioner, that water you will see that more foam. This is the 2 important testing parameter where we can show that this water conditioner performance. So these all are the different sizes product what we have. It is a 1/2 inch 100 LPH, and in between there is a 3/4 inch, that will be 200 LPH, and finally this is the 1000 LPH. 1000 LPH, that is the maximum capacity. More than 1000 LPH, it will be a multiple of 1000 LPH. That is the product what we have. So these all are the different kind of product what it is available. This is the 2-in-1 technology product. Its outer case is the stainless steel, and inside the pipe is the CPVC. This is the completely stainless steel product, and this is a single technology product. We have a single technology product also. Ours is a regular one, 2-in-1 technology. This single technology product, it doesn't have a magnetic arrangement. Magnetic technique is not there. Only inside the quartz balls are available. But many companies are selling the same single technology product in the market. Comparatively, the single technology product, the performance, if you consider 2-in-1 technology product performance as 100%, the single technology product performance will be around 30 to 40%. We have a bigger one also, industrial grade. This is the 3-inch, 4-inch pipe also it is there. But for a domestic usage, we are promoting only these product. It will be there in multiple, so that treatment method will be better. I will show you the further installation photos. You will come to know better. These all are our existing customer. There are many more customer. To understand, only to show you the few customer details, it is mentioned here. There are many more customer. We have more than lakh installation last 25 years. Okay, I will take you to the installation photos. You will come to know better further. Yeah, this is the installation which I explained you. More than 1000 LPH, it will be in multiple. Why we have used the multiple water conditioner? See here, there are 4000 LPH. This is called a parallel connection. 4000 LPH connected in parallel. See, instead of this is a 1.25 inch pipe size, into 4 we have connected. Instead of using a single unit of 4 inch, if you divide into 1 inch of 4, so the flow rate will be reduced. The water flow rate, each conditioner will be reduced. That time the treatment method will be much better comparatively the full amount of the water flow rate. Along with this water conditioner, we use the disc filter also. This is the black one you can see here. This is the disc filter. By default, we will connect for a centralized installation. This disc filter will eliminate if any suspended solids in the water, either silt or mud, what you say, that will be removed from through this water disc filter. The disc filter will have inside there is a nylon brush. Even this also doesn't require any maintenance. Here we have provided a valve. Once in a week or once in a 15 days, if you open this valve, the whatever arrested the suspended solids or contamination will be flushed out. This is the one apartment installation where they have a more than 70-80 flats. This is the single one for a house what we have installed here. They had an existing resin-based technology softener, but they are not happy with this product maintenance. So that is the reason they asked us to install this. They have retained the same, but it's not in working condition. This is our water conditioner. This is the disc filter. This is the existing pipeline. We have in between, we have connected here one wall. This wall act like a bypass wall. Water will pass through disc filter first. This is the wall where it is attached to the disc filter to flush out any contamination there which is arrested by the disc filter. Water will flow through this. After disc filter, water will flow through this against gravity. Again, further it will come back and it will continue with the existing line. In case if there is any problem with the water conditioner, such kind of things will not come. But if anything, it's get choked or it get blocked, that time, if the customer opens this wall, they will get a direct water till our engineer comes. This is the single house installation, whole house installation, having a family member of 4 to 5. This is again one more installation for the apartment where they have a 80 plus apartment. This is the 2 in parallel. The total 4 in parallel. The installation method is different. This is the apartment where we have installed. Again, this apartment installation only. This is the 4 water conditioner in parallel. Each 2 water conditioner will have a disc filter. This is the disc filter again, which I mentioned. This is the wall. Once in a week or once in a 15 days, if you open this wall, the whatever the arrested contamination will be flushed out through this disc filter. Further, this water conditioner will continue to the softening the water. Physically, it will convert hard water into soft water. As I updated you, we have a single technology product also. The single technology product we supply for to the farmer. That is for the single technology. That is for the output of the borewell. The 2-in-1 technology. Here, if it is working out costly, okay, if they are going commercial crop, that time they might require a 2-in technology also. But the single technology we supply only to the farmers. Again, this is the whole house application, single 1000 LPH. As I update you, we have a 200 LPH also. This can be used for the solar water heater inlet or in an apartment for a single bathroom. One bathroom that can be used. There is an installation. Further, I will show you the photo. Again, there is a small apartment. 3 are in parallel. This is the small 100 LPH which is connected for the gas geyser or electric geyser. Yeah, this is the 200 LPH installation where in the apartment, single flat, for single bathroom, in a flat single bathroom. This is the one complete whole bathroom installation. This is the 200 LPH. This is the fall ceiling. Above this fall ceiling, this is installed our 200 LPH. And here also you can observe this is also connected in vertical position, not a horizontal position. This will be connected in vertical position. This is above the fall ceiling. There is a below there is a shower in the bathroom. This is again 100 LPH for gas geyser. Yeah, these all are the installation photos. As I shown you, there is a different product. This is a single technology product. This is a 100 LPH. How to test this water conditioner? Already I explained you. So this is the foam test you can conduct through the bottle, or you can water boil test. This is the one you can see here. This is the dissolved in the water. This is the before water conditioner. This is the after water conditioner. You can see this difference. This is the one water is dissolved. The calcium is dissolved in the water. This is the clean type, clean one. Foam test also we can conduct. Before and after we can. There is a lot of customer feedbacks. You can see here. This is the one more apartment. In my perception, product is good and serve the purpose. I'm not finding any white scaling on the utensil as such, and it's bit leathery comparatively earlier. This is again one more customer feedback. It's working fine and very happy with the product. My skin and hair dryness reduced day by day. Thank you so much. We are fine. The water conditioner is working well, and I am very happy with it. Thank you. There are many. This is the Delhi, from Bangalore to Delhi. They bought it online. They have installed. This is the Delhi customer. There are many installation and many customer feedback you can see. You can log into our website or the Google Drive which you have shared with you. Our team is going to be shared with you or already shared in that these all folders are available. You can go through any point of time. As I mentioned, it's a patented technology product. Our journal is published in the patent journal, Government of India patent journal. It's published. Page number 49. I will show you the patent. Patent, it is published in patent journal. Journal had to confirm. Yeah, this is the one. 786. Yeah, this is the Cosmic Natural Water Conditioner, the patent application publication. This is the date which is published in the patent journal, Government of India. Cosmic Natural Water Conditioner device. It is on my name. Here it is mentioned. The patent invention is a novel water conditioner device comprising of magnets and borosilica balls. Borosilica balls, that is the glass ball which I shown you, wherein a unique technique of magnetic technology and structural water used to soften hard water. This is the patent journal which is published in the Government of India. Okay, these all are about our water conditioner. Further, we'll have a question answer. So you can unmute your mic. If you have any question, please ask one by one so that we can address it. We can have a question answer on this.
No, my name is Jolly.
Yes, Jolly ji.
Yeah. See, actually, I'm not in Delhi. I'm from Bangalore actually. So, I mean, I got your this session from your team member. So that's the reason I joined.
Yes, please.
Okay. So my this thing is actually, see here it is connected into the outlet, right?
That's
so
correct.
What I'm facing the major issue when this water is going in a tank, it's a plastic tank. I mean, our regular the Kaveri or whatever, and there is a sunlight, all those things, and there's a huge quantity of that scaling is happening. Like if I keep a tank for 3 or 4 months, almost 20 liter cup bucket full fill, full I will get that scaling, that calcium powder. So I mean, it's kind of a 6 months generation.
Okay.
So that will then, when I'm keeping this in the external device, I say outflow, what will happen? This tank has to be cleaned every time. So I mean, tank will be filled with this thing. So is there any solution or something like that?
Yeah, possible. But this device, why we are connecting the outlet of the water tank here is, this is the water structuring, based on the water structuring technology. After passing through this device, water has to be utilized immediately. If we keep it for a long period, there might be a possibility again restructuring of the divided molecules. So that is a reason we don't want to take a chance by connecting the inlet of the water tank. So that is the reason we are connecting outlet of the water tank. So this, when water passes through this, it will physically soften the water and you can utilize directly so that you can enjoy the maximum benefit of this product. And now, as per your requirement, the overhead tank itself is having a scale formation. So that is your concern.
Yes.
That can be addressed after going through your water test report. What are the minerals or contamination are there in the water? Accordingly, we can provide you the solution. This device will be connected outlet of the water tank. For your concern, definitely that specific requirement will be there to address that problem.
Okay. So I have one more question. See, the same borewell water which is coming in, first it is coming from my borewell, it's a 700 feet borewell. Okay. And which will be first landed into my ZUMP, I mean that underground tank.
Yes.
Okay. So then from there I'm pumping to the top. So
correct.
When I'm looking at on my underground tank, I never seen any scaling. It's only that normal dirt, like whatever you said, the silt called mud or whatever, that kind of a black color or something like that, a dirt will come. But I never seen any scaling is happening in the this underground. Yeah. So why? What is the reason? So I mean, why this is not? I mean, is there any specific reason? Because the same water it is.
Correct. You are right. In this process, the sunlight will play the major role because of the sunlight and this plastic overhead tank. This combination of both, it makes such kind of arrangement. So that definitely the specific treatment is required. That can be provided. That can be eliminated easily. There will not be any issue. Only thing is we need to know the water test report so that based on that we can provide you the solution.
Okay. So now coming to your product.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
So this product again, I mean, it depends on the flow, right? I mean, if the consumption is more, then what is the assurance that the flow will be taken control on that?
That's correct. That is the reason we have a different flow capacity based on the flow requirement. We have a different capacity product. The 100 LPH, 200 LPH, and 1000 LPH. So any point of time, we can use the lesser flow rate with a higher flow rate product, but it should not cross the rated capacity flow rate. Nothing will happen. Only thing is water will get bypassed for during that period. Once, example, if you have connected a 1000 LPH, any point of time, if you are passing the water about 1500 LPH or 2000 LPH, The another 50%, like 2000 LPA, that means 50% efficiency you'll feel that. Another 50% water will bypass as it is. So that is the reason maximum flow rate capacity to be identified. Based on that, this capacity product can be connected there.
Okay. So here there is no any other mechanism. So I mean any possibility that your representative can show it as in a sample or a demo. I mean with the product itself.
Yeah, as a
Because
physical product, you can see that. As I told you, this is going to be connected in between the pipe, and to feel it, you can whatever we have demonstrated, that foam test or water boiling test, that can be easily you can see that. But to have a feel of it, it required, once if you connect the water conditioner, to have a original feel of it, original result of it, it may require a 1 week to 2 week time, because the already existing your pipe, there is a scale formation that has to be removed, and it will, from the day one, from the connected, next minute only start functioning. To remove that existing scale formation, it may require between 1 to 3 weeks. After that, you can see the exact result of this product.
Okay, so then my major question. Okay, if I take your product as it is, if I pour a 1 glass water through that equipment,
yes,
just as external,
yes,
the output will be flow in another bucket or another cup of water, whatever. So that should be worked in a condition, right? It should be,
definitely.
Yeah. So then can we do that kind of a test? I mean, rather you connect it in the tank and overhead and see physically, we can do the sample test and we can feel it. No?
Yes, possible. Definitely it is possible. And already there are existing customer where they are using and enjoying the benefit of that. There is a number also has been given. That also can be discussed with the existing customer, and you can conduct the same test what you are expecting. That is also possible.
Okay, fine. Okay, so I completely, actually I just join in a, I mean, middle of the call. Actually, I think 15 minutes I got a late. I have just one simple question. Okay, whatever the water, what we are saying, there is a calcium component and magnesium component in our borewell water.
That's
and
correct.
This both are actually good for our body.
Yes.
Correct. Okay.
Calcium
so when you talk about that ion exchange method, so what is happening? So actually that sodium, where normally that salt is using to condition the water, right?
That's correct.
So then, I mean, I'm not a chemistry background, I'm a finance guy, but I think it is converting it to the sodium chloride form, right?
Yes.
When the
existing calcium and magnesium mineral, it's called an ion exchange technology. It will exchange the ions. That means if you give one, that will return one. If you again further, if you take it out one, another one it will give. So that means when there is a scale formation, it's because of the calcium and magnesium and small amount of iron. This ion exchange technology, it will take out the calcium and magnesium from the water, and same amount of the sodium will be replaced in the water. Sodium is not a good for health. Yes. That will be removed. Actually, calcium is removed from the water, and sodium will be replaced in that place.
Okay, so you mean to say sodium, some sodium and kind of some amount of sodium is good for body, but more it is not good for the body. That is what you mean to say, right?
Exactly right. Exactly.
So then it is not drinkable, but when you are pouring on your body, it is nothing is going to happen, correct?
Yes, correct. It's not a drinkable, correct.
Okay, correct. But you can use it as a bath or whatever, nothing is going to happen.
You can use it. Yes.
Okay, fine. I think others can ask questions.
Yes, Jaluji. Thank you. Thanks for your participation. Thanks for your question.
Yeah.
Okay, if anyone has other question, please let us have a discussion on that. Let us have a clarity on that. Anybody is there?
Sir, good afternoon.
Yeah, happy afternoon. Sunarji. Yes, Sunarji.
My name is Rajiv. I'm calling from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Yes, Rajiv. Good to know this.
Actually, I just want to confirm that if I am interested for a distributor or a channel partner or a business associate, what marketing support I will get from the company side?
Yes, definitely you will get it. All the marketing, whatever promotion activity is required, that time company will support you on that. That can be discussed one-to-one. The business plans and other things can be discussed one-to-one.
Okay, right.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rajiv. Any technical aspect of the product, any clarity you need on the product technology, please.
And is it possible that this product will be installed after construction? Like if already there is a one flat or one house, but they required now this product. Is it
Yeah, yeah.
possible that we can install that product?
Yes, yes, possible. After construction, it can be installed.
Okay, right. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajivji. Yes, Sunilji, you are asking something.
I actually wanted to know. See, in one of your photo slides, you've shown it's been connected to a RO. It's a home RO,
Uh-huh.
water purifier. No, what we
Yes,
have
please.
installed at at houses.
Yes,
So
yes.
as itself, the RO itself is a purifier.
Ah,
Then what is the advantages in adding in a conditioner to it?
yes, definitely. It's a good question. Since RO also has got a internal different treatment process, like it has got a series of filters. When there is a water molecule size is bigger, as I mentioned you, there's a cluster formation. Because of that bigger cluster formation, the RO membrane will get choked easily. To avoid that, if you connect this water conditioner, the RO maintenance will come down and reduction of wastewater that will come down. If you connect, example, if you connect a domestic water purifier or industrial water purifier, if you connect the inlet of the water purifier, the one definitely the reduction. As you know that in many RO, there's a 50% only you will get a water. Another 50% water will go as a waste. That can be recovered up to 90%, 70 to 80% can be recovered. Another 20-30% water will be used. And also important part, maintenance of the RO water purifier will come down. This is the advantage of this.
Okay. See, another thing is, see, you guys have already tested this, you have invented this, but still, my doubt is that,
Yes, sir.
see, as you mentioned, no, it is you have used the technology of the river. Okay.
Yes, similar, not exactly. It's a
But
part of the technique.
okay, so see, when the river water is flowing and it is hitting against any pebble or stone or rocks, anything,
Yes,
it
sir.
is got generally it's got a force at which it is hitting. And
That's correct.
when something is striking at a force, we have the breaking of these molecules are getting distributed. All this, okay. So in your unit, no, you are doing it. You are taking the water in a reverse condition, wherein there is not much of pressure, and hence when it's hitting the quartz balls, no, it is not hitting at some very good pressure. I believe it's a uniform flow maybe. So how do you say that the molecules will be totally broken and I mean,
Yes, sir. That's correct. Exactly what you are thinking is exactly right. In the river, there is a huge amount of water flowing in the river. So that is the reason we will be noticing that. Whereas in our case, it's a very small amount of flow rate what we are accepting through this device. And also the flow rate, whatever is there, outlet of the water tank, that itself is more than enough. It does work from 0.5 kg pressure to up to 7 to 8 kg pressure it will work. So even over a tank pressure, whatever it is there, that much is enough for this to perform better.
so you need whatever pressure is available between
Yes, yes,
minimum
that
pressure, it will.
yeah, that will manage the over a tank pressure itself.
Actually, before joining the session, no, I was under the impression that we could really test this along with the test kit. The water properties we could
Yes,
have tested. So that would have been actually absolutely very convincible to any client.
that's
Okay,
correct.
I was also been so when you said that the chemical properties does not change, no. So I mean I mean literally started thinking in other way around. See,
Yes,
what happens? You have seen a test kit; it is very colorful, basically. So
correct,
any client would have been very happy seeing the color change and all those things.
correct.
Anything like that, we can find out something in the market which can really give some result like that
Yeah, this is the based on
using a chemical.
yes. We are also working on that to find out the solution to address the customer require. This is the customer one of the requirement, but since it is a physical level testing parameters, that is a bit difficult to find out the solution on that, and we'll keep trying a better solution to address the customer issue. And as of now, there is a water boiling test and foam test can be conducted. That is the best method to understand the performance of this product. As of now.
I know, but many customers get addressed by only by seeing colors and something like that. No.
Correct. Yeah. Only
Okay, and
thing
the
that
pH
time.
values.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I want to understand more about the pH value on this. Like, what is the
Yeah.
what is the pH value which will remain earlier in the original water and post conditioned water?
Yes, it will pH will be retained. In fact, if you see that reverse osmosis water purifier, the pH will come down. Either 0.5 or 0.25 pH will come down. Whereas in our case, pH will not reduce. Even because of the magnetic arrangement, it will enhance the little pH in the water towards the alkaline, which is a very good and very essential for our human body. It won't reduce the pH level.
Okay, sir. That's all from my end. Thank you.
Yes, Sunilji. Thank you very much. Thanks for your participation. If anybody is there, any query do you require further? Okay, I think if it is completed, then please feel free to communicate with us any point of time. If you have any doubt or clarity
Sir,
you
excuse
require.
me.
Yes, Rajuji, please.
Is there any maintenance cost of our product?
Yeah, this product doesn't require any maintenance or replacement component. Only maintenance is that I shown that disc filter valve has to be opened to flushing out the contamination mud or silt which is arrested by the disc filter.
And
That is the only maintenance which is required. Other than that, no maintenance is required for this.
okay, and what is the life of this product?
Yeah, this product will comes with a 30 days money back guarantee and 5-year warranty. And importantly, this life of the product is 25 to 30 years. It will last long even more than that. We are assuming 25 to 30 years because as I shown you, both the component are long lasting product. So it doesn't require any frequent replacement of the component. That the permanent magnet details are available in the Google. You can Google it. What is the life of the permanent magnet? If you type it, you will come to know that once in 100 years, it reduces 10% of its performance. Very long lasting product.
Okay.
Since we have used the permanent magnet, Rajivji, in fact, we are from the power electronics background, would have developed electromagnetic type. Electromagnetic in the sense, again, there is a electricity, there is a electronic component. So there was a chances of failure. That is the reason we are not recommended to go. In fact, we have electromagnetic product also. We are not promoting since we have developed, because of that reason only we have developed a technology based on the permanent magnet.
Okay. Sir, is there any change in TDS of the?
Sir, this is the physical level treatment. This won't change any TDS or hardness. If you want to change a TDS and hardness, there should be a chemical level treatment. That time only there is a modification in the TDS or hardness. This is the physical level treatment. The TDS and hardness will remain same. That won't change.
Okay. Right, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. So who and all participated? If you have any query or if you need a more clarity, any point of time, you can call us and we'll address whatever you have a doubt and requirement. Okay. Finally, on behalf of Team Cosmic, I am thankful to you for your valuable participation in this video conference meeting. If you need any suggestion, any guidance or any clarity, if you need, we are there to assist you all the time. Please contact us. Okay. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Thanks for your participation.